to be doing a do-it-yourself laptop holder. This is from Dollar Tree. It's a wire organizer. It's just $1, and I'm going to cut this parts off so that I can just use this part for holding my MacBook. You can also use the napkin holders from Dollar Tree. I'll put an image right here. I'm going to use this tool that I have from IKEA. I'm just going to twist it like this. Take the wire off. Okay, I went to get another tool. The IKEA one wasn't working. I'm breaking this off already. Okay. What else there? There we go. I'm going to put my MacBook Air. There you go. It holds really good. And if I wanted, I could even bring this closer. This is a great holder for any laptops or tablets for just $1. The napkin holder should work good also for holding your devices. I like this because it's pretty thin, and that's what I wanted because I didn't want something really big and bulky.